Hello everyone! Welcome po sa aking channel. Today we are going to do a royal makeup tutorial using some Cathy products. First thing first is skincare. To clean the face, gagamit tayo ng Cathy Acne Solution Serum plus Foam Cleanser. Yung skin ko guys is sensitive, so gustong-gusto ko tong product na ito kasi wala siyang tingling and burning sensation. Also, it has tea tree serum na tumutulong sa pag-control ng acne, and when used continuously, meron siyang brightening effect at makakatulong din sa pagtanggal ng mga dark spots. At dahil mahilig din ako sa halaman, plus point sa akin yung smell ng product na ito. Very herbal, fresh, and relaxing siya for me. Next is to remove the dead skin cells, at ang gagamitin natin ay ang Cathy So Happy Berry Yogurt Peeling Gel. Hindi sapat lang guys to wash our face with a cleanser kasi hindi niya kayang tanggalin yung mga dead skin cells. So at least once or twice a week, kailangan natin mag-exfoliate to get rid of impurities. As you can see, mas nagko-concentrate ako sa areas na sa tingin ko may discoloration. I'm impressed with this Cathy product. Ang lambot niya sa face at talagang nakikita ko na natanggal yung mga dead skin cells to the point na hindi na pantay tignan yung mukha ko sa leeg ko. Wow! At dahil bagong exfoliate ang ating face, this is the perfect time to treat and moisturize. I am applying the Cathy Gold Splash Essence with Venom. This product is suitable for all skin types at nakakatulong siya to reverse skin age and to achieve bright and youthful look. See? Okay, now moving on sa ating makeup. We are going to use the Cathy Speed White CC Cream. Para sa akin, this is the best makeup base kasi nagbibigay siya ng instant brightening effect. Plus, it has SPF 50+++, kaya may protection na rin tayo sa harmful UV rays. And nakukontrol niya talaga yung oil sa mukha ko. And of course, wag pala natin kalimutan lagyan ang ating neck area. For the foundation, we are going to use the Careline Oil Control Liquid Makeup kasi dewy yung effect nito. Kasi napansin ko guys na sa royals, kita mo pa rin yung imperfections sa face nila. Hindi sila ma-full coverage, more on dewy and glowy side. More on enhancement lang yung makeup nila, hindi to change their actual look. Kumbaga walang shocking moment na ganap once natanggal at naglagay sila ng makeup. So using the same foundation, lalagyan lang natin yung mga redness natin sa mukha. Wala munang concealer this time para kita pa rin yung imperfections natin. To set the foundation, gagamit tayo ng RCMA No Color Powder para hindi na mabago yung na-achieve na natin na coverage. Now time to groom our brows. For this look, gagamitin natin itong Kris Matte Brow Liner in the shade Happy Taupe. Napaka-natural kasi ng kulay nito sa akin guys. So yung mga royals, napansin ko kasi hindi sila kilay on fleek. At para ma-achieve yung brow look nila na very natural, lalagyan ko lang ng product yung mga area na merong brow hair and a feathery stroke sa ibang sparse area. Set the brow to keep hairs in place kasi no-no ang sabog na kilay sa royals. Also, remove the excess products. Subtle eyeshadow is all we need, and I will be using the Urban Decay Naked Tree palette. Here, I am using the shade Limit para sa aking crease. And applying the shade Burnout on the center of my lid using my ring finger to create a subtle glow sa ating mga mata. And the shade Nooner to define the outer V. Ang technique ko dito is to slowly build the color, paunti-unti lang yung paglagay. Tapos, using the same shade, diffuse lang natin yung color on the lower outer lash line lang kasi gusto ko malinis yung inner eye area para minimalist at mas maging elegant tignan. Ginamit ko yung shade na Strange to highlight the brow bone. No fake lashes this time. Gagamit lang tayo ng eyelash curler saka mascara. Ang tip lang dito is to brush mascara from the roots up para hindi mukhang hati at may nakapatong na product sa lashes. For the contour, blush, and highlight, gagamitin natin itong Cathedral 3D Face Forward Nefertiti Contour Kit. Isa rin sa mga napansin ko sa Royals, hindi sila heavy sa contour, so sakto lang itong contour shade ng Cathedral for my skin complexion. Very natural lang yung pag-define niya sa face ko. See? For the blush, gagamit tayo ng malaking brush para yung kulay ay hindi concentrated lang sa iisang area. Same technique lang to achieve that natural glow, unti-unti lang natin siyang i-build up. I love this blush kasi meron siyang mga maliliit na glitters that gives you a subtle glow. Highlight the nose and the cheekbone. Maganda itong highlighter ng Cathedral kasi buildable siya, hindi siya yung agad-agad nakakasilaw na highlight. Again, take time, paunti-unti lang. For the lips, naglagay muna ako ng sheer lipstick and then the Cathedral Nude Me Matte in the shade Dusty Rose. The Royals rarely use red or dark lipsticks, so this shade is just perfect kasi fresh tignan and hindi striking sa mata. Ang lakas lang niya talaga maka-fresh. Diffuse ko lang yung color using my ring finger para walang harsh line at soft siya tignan. For a polished and sleek look, I tied my hair just like Meghan Markle. And then we're done! I am very happy na na-achieve natin yung dewy, natural, elegant, and picture-perfect na look. Sometimes we don't really need a tiara to look like a royal. We just need the right technique and products like Cathy dolls. Now guys, here's the thing. We all know that we live in a very competitive world, but the simple truth is, you are your only competition. And real queens fix each other's crown.